Okay, we're getting ready to head off to Kentucky Kingdom. This is day 3 of the grandparents trip. This is the whole reason that we came here. Kids just woke up from a nap. They got like a 9 a.m. nap because they woke up at like 5:30 in the morning. But that's good because they're fully rested and we're ready to go. So we'll see you there. What do you think, Evie? Okay, we're not really here. There's this huge line that was not there the last time we came. And so we're gonna have to go brave that huge line. Yeah, we got through security. Now we're just waiting for my sister to show up with her family. We'll get everybody inside. Then we'll head over to the rides or the water park, and we'll figure out what we're doing once we get in.
Water park!
Water park, says Evie.
Oh my god, they have matching sunglasses!
That's exactly what I said. Yeah.
Both don't have any blue on.
Well, hers are red and blue, and yours are blue and red.
They're the same, but different. Oh my god.
All right, we made it inside the park. Now we're just walking over to get to the water park section. We've strategically decided to go around the kiddie park area instead of going through it, even though that would have been slightly faster. That's to keep the kids from getting distracted. We don't want them to, think that that's why we're here, is to ride the kiddie rides, because we're not. We're here to go to the water park. Maybe we'll do the rides later, but for right now, it's water park time. Let's hit it. All right, made to the water park section. We're all just gonna hang out in the wave pool for a little while, and then we're gonna see what we're gonna do after that. Yeah? What do you wanna do? Slide? You wanna go on a water slide? You wanna go on that one?
Yeah!
All right, let's go. By request, we're gonna go on this water slide. Calypso Run. It says it's a moderate thrill. She's 4 years old, so we'll see how she handles it. Is that the one you want? Okay. Yeah, it's heavy. You might want to let me carry it. All right, let's go. Okay, you ready? Here we go. You were too scared?
Yeah.
Hello, Rory. Come on, you want to play with that dude? Here, hold Daddy's hand. Let's go. Let's go. Go walk over to Mama. You want the waves to come? The waves will be here.
Dad, you want the wave car? The waves are on now. Whoa, Daddy.
Ah, Daddy fell down.
You wanna go in the water?
Whoa! It is floating you away. You find Michael?
Huh?
You find him?
I don't know where he is. He's somewhere. We haven't moved. Maybe they went on the other lazy river.
Yeah, maybe. All right, so round 2, we're taking Sis to the water slide. All right, Evie, gonna show her how it's done? All right.
But I want to go with not you.
You want to go with Meredith? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
I say eyesore.
Because I'm checking. Because if you change your mind up there, I'm gonna got video evidence of you saying you want to go with Meredith, not me.
Here.
All right, we'll see you guys at the bottom.
All right.
Woohoo! Whoa! Oh, here it goes. Whoa! All right.
Because that one was fun. It was really fun.
Yeah, right here. That's the one we're going on. Come on. Who did that, Evie? He did it. He did it. Will you make sure to tell him off when we get up there? Tell him it's not nice to splash people. All right, this is our raft. Ready, sweetie? What are you gonna say? Woo! Was that fun? How fun was that?
That was really fast.
All right.
I want to go again.
All right, here. Here, you can hold it.
Hello.
Are you just recording yourself?
This is me, Evie.
It's you, Evie.
And that's Daddy.
Well, tell them where you're at.
We are at the amusement park,
Good.
and Daddy is swimming, and it's cold in the water.
It is cold in the water. You're right. Oh, excuse me.
Now what happens if we push this button?
Oh, don't.
My mom is somewhere, but we know where she is. And this is Daddy.
That's me.
And
Hey, why don't you show
also,
them the water slide we went on?
we went on, I don't know. We went on that one.
Yeah. Was that one fun?
Yeah, and we went on a different one, but it was that one.
Is that your sister? Don't put it in your mouth. Did you put it in your mouth? It's the Roy Monster! Oh no! Roy Monster! Wow! Yeah! Attention! Attention! Yes? Baba? What happened, Evie? The waves keep getting in your face. Yeah. Yeah, you gotta keep your face out of the water and then we'll get in your face. So we're gonna leave our little home base here. We've been here for about 3 hours or so. We could probably only stay for another hour before we have to head out. So we're gonna try to get the lazy river in. Graham, do you like sharks? No. So this is the real kids area that we didn't know existed, and we just got here and it's almost time to go, so. Okay, Rory, time for your first water slide. Okay. Okay, ready? Ready? Go! Was that fun? That was fun, right? Come on, let's go again. Come on, get down. Just come on. Okay, ready? Let's go. You okay? You can sit with Daddy this time, okay? Let's sit with Daddy. Oh, look, it's Mama. It's Mama. Okay, let's go. Ready? Woo! Can Daddy have one? Ready? Let's go! Woo! Woo! Was that fun? Okay, ready? Let's go! Good job, Evie. You want to get out of the water? No. No? Okay, come on. All right, the day is done. Headed out. Go. Yeah, very tired. We are headed back to Grandma and Grandpa's house to pick up the cat and our luggage and, you know, other stuff, food. Maybe eat something? We're gonna eat something while we're there? Probably, they always have food for us. So, I don't know where you're going. we missed our exit. Okay, we are sunned out. We are getting ready to get the cat, get the luggage, eat some food, head back, and that'll be the end of that. But it was a fun weekend, and we'll see you next time.